Right. Right. Well, do you have a business philosophy? Have you developed anything like that that helps guide your decisions
Yeah.
with this business?
So, in terms of guiding decisions and philosophies, I mean, I don't know if it's a philosophy, but we really stick with like trust your gut. I mean, I don't know if it's in terms of how we approach deals. I mean, you know, it's been a while, so now a lot of we've had brokers that bring us deals that you can kind of that we don't deal with anymore per se, right? Because it wasn't the right person or people weren't trying to do the right thing. So, in terms of philosophy, when you get involved in the business, just trust your gut. I mean, we have stores where I make some decisions sometimes that you would say, "Why did you do that?" And I talk to my partner. It's my brother, so it's really we've been going at it together for 14 years. So I think it's easier because I have the ability to just be like, "Hey, I did this." But we have free dry markets. We have 20 for 20s randomly just to give back to certain communities and trust your gut. I mean, I go to stores and I see things are could be better, and then we focus in on you feel it like when you like we. I'll give you a good example. We had a store that needed new dryers. And I knew it needed new dryers. But every time I go there, I'd see the people look at me like I was a little crazy. So at one point I said to my brother, we got to put new dryers in. And he's like, it's expensive. And I know it's expensive. And I said, let's just do it. And we trusted our gut. We did it. And that store's up, 30, 40% since we've ever done that. And feeling, when you go into a store, boots on the ground is so important because you can actually see what goes on. So we really try and touch our stores and get involved, not too involved where we're overstepping boundaries of workers, but trust,
Hmm.
the gut and talking to the customers when you're there. And I think that the more you do that, the better it is. And understanding the environment you're in. I'm going to give one more example. We purchased a store right smack of the pandemic. I mean, it couldn't have been a worse timing to purchase a store potentially because no one knew the world was going to shut down, right? And we did a little special. It was 20 for 20. So you put 20 on your card, you get 20 for free. And it was something to build up, as a brand new store. And it was in such a distressed area that the pandemic really hurt. And we kept that special. That was supposed to be a 30-day special that we kept for 9 months. And and the reason
Yeah.
for 9 months wasn't financially beneficial to us necessarily, but the area kind of needed it. And if we pulled it at any point, I felt like it would have really hurt the business. And the people appreciate that. So
Right.
well, in terms of philosophy, I don't know if that covers it, but the customers see you and they know what you do and they know how you react. So the more right you do by the people, the more right
Hmm.
by you.
Yeah. No, I think that definitely is a philosophy, and I think that's a good one. Absolutely.